Hi, thanks for watching. I'm showing you my new microwave. I've had it for about a month. It is Toshiba and it's a countertop microwave oven. It's, very easy to work. You just, take it out the box and plug it in and it works. And I'm just showing you some of the features on it that I really like. The power is 1,250 watts of cooking power. And that basically means it can cook pretty quickly and evenly. I haven't noticed any problems with the food that I have made being unevenly cooked. Like my old microwave, it's a 1.6 cubic feet of space. So it's a nice size to show you how, maybe give you an idea of the size for your countertop. It has inverter technology, which is a pretty cool feature. Instead of blasting full power and then dropping off, inverter technology delivers steady, consistent heat. Let me show you the inside. It does have a child lock on it, so you just can't open it. There's a little button here you just lift up. And it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. You get used to it. And this is how it looks inside. I'm very impressed with this. The turntable works great. It's also have a smart sensor cooking, which means that it can sense the moisture and steam coming off your food. And it automatically adjusts the cooking time. And you see here the sensor reheat. One thing I like about this one too is that it, basic things that you usually make, you can just press the button like on your pizza or potato, veggie, and it's automatic, which is really great. Setting the clock was pretty easy for me. And I like that even down here it has a plus 30-second feature. So if you need a little bit more heat, you can just press that button. It'll add 30 seconds on there. It has auto defrost, and you just tell it the type of food and weight, and it defrosts for you automatically. No need to set times for that. The turntable is about 13.6 inches. And I like the look and the feel of it. I had to get a new microwave because mine was very old. It wasn't working properly. So I like this one. And if you need more information, I'll have some links in the description below. Thanks for watching.